What is up, guys? We are back in Florida. Just wanted to stop and see where I'm at, what I'm gonna do. I have kind of accepted that my hair is gonna go to shit. I took a shower last night at the campsite. We got nice little showers, but I only shampooed it. It's dreading up pretty bad. Probably gonna have to cut it off, which I don't really want to do, but I might have to either cut it off or dread it, just help it with its process. But it's fucking beautiful out here, mate. Damn, look at the Lambo. Well, this is Jordan Park. Ooh, I keep burning myself on that exhaust, man. I can find some alligators, bro. There's supposed to be alligators in this freaking lake right up here. And I'm definitely trying to see an alligator. Like, that'd be sweet. Well, no alligators. Got this beautiful trail though. I got this overhanging tarp, have the little roof. Alrighty guys, day 3, done. Just got out of the shower, feeling good. About to get some sleep. I gotta get out of here at 12. I'm gonna head for, it's like a national forest near here, Ocala or something like that. But yeah, there's some freshwater springs, like a swimming hole, so we're gonna go check that out. And yeah, so good night guys, see you tomorrow. I'm headed to Ocala, to the national forest. Apparently they've got free camping, so. But this campsite, it's supposed to be, or I'm headed currently to the recreational area. It's called Juniper Springs Recreational Area, and basically it has like these freshwater springs that are pretty sick. They look beautiful. But yeah, we're going to JP Cycles. I stopped at the Harley dealership over in It was near St. Augustine, and I stopped there just to see, you know, bikes, and just hang out, take a little break. They were pretty cool. I ended up getting this little hip bag. Juniper Springs Recreational Area, Ocala, OCA. Okay. Alrighty. Thank you. I was able to get a new tank bag. My tank bag was filling up and filling up quick. So, a new tank bag, and I also got this punch. I don't know if you can see this. Alrighty guys, I'm gonna set up camp and then probably go explore. This place looks sweet. I don't know if I forgot to mention, but yeah, that's the thing. Put the shorts back on. Hopefully, don't burn my leg again. I got one there, and then I got two down here. And check this place out. It's pretty sweet. Alright, so we're in Ocala, I think it is, Ocala, and we're at it's called Juniper Springs. It's a freshwater spring, super beautiful. It's right over there. It's like a swimming hole type deal. It's absolutely gorgeous out today. No cloud in sight, beautiful. But basically, I got here yesterday. Just came over to get a campsite, got a campsite, and I came over to look at the springs, and started talking to this guy. His name's Adrian. I met him, and he invited me back to his campsite. That we looked for these eels that were in the swimming pool that we just were swimming in, and they're like 4-foot long eels. Adrian's super sick, and I'm actually chilling with him right now. Him and his boy had to swing back into North Carolina, but they're both from North Carolina. They both left Monday, which is the day I left, and they're literally out here doing the same thing I'm doing, camping out of their cars and shit. And yeah, I'm trying to convince him to set up a YouTube channel. He's got a little GoPro, and yeah, so we were just getting some footage over there, and yeah, it's super sweet. I think we're gonna chill for the next couple days, see what we're doing, see where we're camping. We're out here at these beautiful springs, man. See if I can get you guys to see. It's hard to pick up on camera, but this water is super clear. Just absolutely gorgeous. All right, guys, we made it to the next campsite tonight. I'm camping with my boy Adrian. We met like last night, and we planned camping tonight. And yeah, we're at this beautiful, what city are we in? Pearson. We're in Pearson, which is right next to where we were staying last night.
Oh yeah, no, that's a good one, bro.
Yeah, we're getting good luck, man.
Oh yeah. We're on this lake, trying to catch some fish. No luck on the boat. We had better luck up at the dock, so we're headed back to the dock. But we're like currently in the middle of this lake, like absolute middle. And we know that there's alligators, like we know.
Fuck yeah.
So we're at Blue Springs Park. Supposedly there's like 23 manatees seen just today. So yeah, we're gonna go peep out the manatee. So no manatees yet, but some massive fish. I'll show you guys. Over here, and there's two right in front of us. I don't know if you guys could see that the manatees had these buoys on them attached to their tails, and I just got information that basically those manatees were wounded and they took them out of the water, kind of cared for them, gave them medical attention, and then put them back in. And those buoys have trackers, so they can just maintain how they're doing and if they're healing properly and stuff. So if you guys liked it, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Beautiful place. More adventures coming soon.